So with race season fast approaching, one thing we do every year without fail, even though last season was a little bit short, it probably is a little bit premature. Right before the season starts, we whiz the old transporter in and we give it some love. I found a memory card in the GoPro box with a heap of footage on it. I'm like, oh, what's this? And I literally clicked on one and it popped up with me checking my tyre pressures and you beaking off about how...
He's doing it himself.
First for everything, hey?
Yeah. Look at it. The driver's actually doing something for once.
Like, when you said that again, he was like, oh, that'd be like you doing something. I'm like,
Yeah.
fuck, I was watching that last night.
I'd say who's doing all the work is Tyler.
He's just the parts bitch down there.
Yeah, you are, aren't you?
Tyler's going to get under the back and try and fix the rear brakes though now, the rear brake lights.
What's wrong with them?
They don't work. I just found out then that they don't work. Do you want to drain the oil, Tyler, or do you want to fix the brake lights?
That's a cam job.
What? Cam's draining the oil?
Yeah.
Well then Tyler can fix the brake lights.
You gotta move it down the food chain, buddy.
Look at that.
Fixed.
Works like a new one.
See, he's trying to hide from me. What he didn't realise is that I'm very sneaky. I found you! What are you doing? It's
Annual maintenance that we
annual
do once
maintenance.
a year.
No matter how many Ks you do.
Nah, it's a bit short. It normally does about 30,000 Ks a year, but this year we were a bit short because the season got cut short. I only did about 10 or 15, but anyway.
You should be ashamed.
What?
What?
With what?
I forgot that's from last time.
What's from last
I
time?
deliberately done that. 10,000
Oh, no, you want to get onto the back of the truck. I can't put that in the truck.
Oh.
Hey Tyler, we still haven't got those exhaust manifold gaskets that we were going to order last season.
You like working on trucks?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
You like going racing though?
Do some work, will you? You're not here for shits and giggles.
I don't want to because it means we've got to get under the back of this truck and find out why the brake lights don't work.
Well, get under there.
Probably the one that's virtual here.
Drop it.
What's that?
Air intake.
Oh.
Because it's a truck.
I see Steve-O's walking around not doing much.
Oh,
Oh, he's going to go cable tie his hands underneath the truck now. Pretend he's doing something. Have a nap. Is that right?
More or less.
That is not a ball, buddy. No, that's not a ball.
yeah.
She's like, hey, you don't ball. And start jumps and shoots them off.
You think it's a ball, don't you? Look.
Hang on, you told me they weren't working here.
Reverse.
What? I didn't put reverse on. Because I know they're not working.
A bunch of retards trying to fuck a doorknob out here.
You're right.
Fucked up my filter.
Fucked it up. How? What's wrong with it?
Oh, didn't you see him with the bit of pipe tightening that? You know what I'm saying? I even heard it go, you know, and then he stopped.
You know who's doing it next year, don't you?
What's wrong with the fuel filter?
Me. The crush marks aren't oil filter too.
What did he do?
Just did that way too tight to annoy me.
It looks okay to me.
Yeah, 20 bucks each.
Have they got them?
Yep.
Yeah, I get a couple of them.
What?
That's belts. Belts are a little shabby, probably should be replaced.
One problem.
They've only got one.
Yep.
That's pretty standard.
What else needs to be done to it?
Change the oil and filter
I
now.
don't want to give it too much of a heart attack that it's going to give up and die now, though.
Apparently the brake lights work now, so that's fine.
Reverse?
Should do some shockers on it. Nah, the reverse lights haven't worked in this thing for 2 years. Should fix a reverse camera along there. Ah, I'm not doing that. Shock rack to go in it.
belts. 13A,
I might jack it up and check all my joints.
This is not what you signed up for?
No.
To be a truck mechanic? No.
Actually, Cam's the expert here.
Yeah, he's the only one here that's half qualified.
Hang on. I do believe he's a professional polisher too. Truck polisher.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, Cam.
You reckon that chrome will come back up in the rims, Cam?
In the rims. For sure.
Not a fucking magician.
New shock rack that I've had for 2 years that I haven't put in.
Oh, is that one of those ones that you got off Pari, was it?
Yeah, I did. 18 months ago. Probably need another
Yeah, that
one.
I organised.
A couple of blokes asked it. Oh, Steve. Yeah.
This one?
He's like, he's the bloke that does the YouTube videos, isn't it? I'm like, yeah. He's the one that has his wife follow him around and talk to him, isn't he? I'm like, yep. I don't give a fuck about your racing. And they're just like, hey, hang on a minute. His wife follows him around for GoPro.
Who's talking about that?
A couple of blokes on the Discord server.
That's embarrassing. Because what am I doing right about now?
I'm like, oh,
I'm following you
before it
around now.
Would have been like, I don't know, he's a wingless driver or something, but nah.
Yeah, see? I'm the one that's getting famous. Yeah. My squeaky ass
No, I'm
voice.
pretty sure it's just because you don't shut up, and that's all I can hear.
Fuck off. Cam, that's not true, is it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, no, none of you are getting paid. I know that much.
Look at this, using quality tools.
No. Does anyone know when my crap around gone?
Probably wherever you used it last.
I'll just use this one instead then, because it's here.
Oh, quality.
Well, I think you're supposed to take that with you.
You go and put it through the fucking table now.
Well, you are using it.
It's not Cam.
I actually had the wind blow my shirt up yesterday.
Repco should pay me because I've like included them in loads of my YouTube videos. Like the time we were sleep deprived and went into Repco and walked.
Yeah, but they thought we were cooked.
Yeah, they did.
You were cooked. You and
We'll just get one of these and one of these and one of these.
Charlie just went like
They
this
don't think
with all of
Pigment's
them.
alive was 14 right
Fuck, that was a lot.
Like, I'm not actually joking. I think I've had one since.
That was just like that's a long weekend at the best of times, but when we were working on the car for like 3 days straight on the road trying to get the thing going.
Didn't even race the cunt once.
Yeah. Oh, we did.
Was that Mount Gambier?
No, it was Hamilton, Mount Gambier, and Warrnambool.
Yeah.
Like 3 days of racing, and we did
It was
like.
Warrnambool
I
Repco.
think I worked it out. It was 160 laps we could have done, and I did 10 for the weekend. Like it was just fucking. It was a nightmare.
That's perfect.
What are you doing down there?
I don't know.
I think it's got an oil leak.
Just a little.
Just saying. Poor neglected ding.
Hey, what'd you have?
I
like
had 2
one or
beers.
two?
I had 2, and he's like, "You want another one?" I'm like, "No, I'm going to bed because I know where this is going."
And your body.
You'd never met the bloke before.
Nah, fast forward to 6 a.m. I'm still there drinking. We're leaving at like 7 o'clock.
Nah, this is going to turn bad. I'm going to bed. Someone didn't get the memo.
No, of course it didn't.
That hurt my ears.
Yeah. That hurt me coin.
You know what's going to happen, Tyler? The shocks aren't going to fall off the rack now that I've got these.
Yeah, they are. Thanks, Repco Man, for the parts. Thanks, Tyler.
What are you doing?
Thinking.
Contemplating life.
Have you worked it out yet?